There is a really weird thing about modern smartphones. Take for example the Galaxy S24 and the Pixel 8. The S24 has a 6.2-inch display, and the same thing with the Pixel. But they differ in the aspect ratio. The Pixel 8 screen is 20 by 9, while the S24 is 19.5 by 9. And if we control a little further, the S24 screen has a height of 5.63 inches and a width of 2.59 inches. The Pixel, on the other hand, has a height of 5.65 inches and a width of 2.54 inches. So what's the problem? Well, it's this. The total screen area of the S24, which is the width times the height, is significantly bigger than the Pixel's, despite having the same screen size. Why? Well, these screens are all measured diagonally, with no reference to the vertical and horizontal measures. That's why two phones can have the same screen size, while one screen is literally bigger than the other in terms of area. But that raises the question. If two phones have the same screen size, how does one know which screen is bigger? The answer is the aspect ratio that we mentioned at the beginning. Remember, the Pixel had a narrower aspect ratio, that's why it has a smaller screen area. If you don't see why, let's start by drawing a picture. If we denote the screen height by h, the width by w, and the screen size by s, we get this right-angled triangle, which means that we can use Pythagoras to calculate the screen size. So, s squared equals w squared plus h squared. The right-hand side looks like a familiar identity, so let's subtract 2wh from both sides to get w minus h squared on the right-hand side. If we rearrange a little bit and divide by 2, we'll see that wh, which is the screen area, is 1/2 times s squared minus w minus h squared. In our example, s is equal to 6.2 inches. So let's plug that in. To maximize the area, we want w minus h to be as close to 0 as possible. In other words, the closer h and w are to each other, the more screen area we'd have. And the closer w and h are, the smaller the aspect ratio becomes. So the next time you look at a phone screen size, don't forget the aspect ratio.